Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode, we will be talking about the life and legacy of Ansel Adams. Ansel Adams, a true pioneer of landscape photography, left an indelible mark on the world with his stunning images and environmental advocacy. His extraordinary life and unyielding commitment to preserving the natural beauty of the American landscape have inspired countless photographers, artists, and nature enthusiasts. This essay will delve into the life and legacy of Ansel Adams, exploring his journey, artistic contributions, and enduring impact on both the world of photography and environmental conservation. Ansel Easton Adams was born on February 20th, 1902 in San Francisco, California. Early on, Adams displayed a deep love for nature, a passion that would shape the trajectory of his life and career. His father introduced him to the beauty of the outdoors, taking him on trips to the Yosemite Valley, a place that would become synonymous with Adams' photographic masterpieces. As a young boy, Adams was plagued by various illnesses, leading to his withdrawal from traditional education. However, he was a voracious reader and continued his education through homeschooling. As he grew older, his interests gravitated towards music, particularly the piano. But fate had something different in store for him when at the age of 14, he received a Kodak Brownie camera as a gift during a family trip to Yosemite. This moment marked the beginning of his lifelong fascination with photography. Ansel Adams' early photographic endeavors were mainly as a hobbyist. However, he soon embraced the creative potential of the medium and began to take it seriously. He joined camera clubs, avidly studied photographic techniques, and in 1927 published his first portfolio, Parmelian Prints of the High Sierras. His early work already showcased his remarkable ability to capture the grandeur and emotional depth of natural landscapes. In the 1930s, Adams co-founded the influential F64 Group, a collective of photographers that championed the use of smaller apertures for sharp focus and deep depth of field in their images. Through this group, Adams solidified his standing as a prominent figure in the world of photography. It was Adams' passion for the wilderness that truly set him apart from other photographers. He believed that capturing the beauty of nature could inspire people to protect and conserve the environment. Adams's work had a unique ability to evoke emotions and transport viewers to the serene and breathtaking landscapes he photographed. His iconic photograph, Moonrise, Hernandez, New Mexico, taken in 1941, remains one of the most recognizable landscape images in history. Beyond his artistic contributions, Ansel Adams' legacy also encompasses his role as an environmental advocate. He was instrumental in raising awareness about conservation issues and worked tirelessly to promote the protection of national parks and wilderness areas. Through his photography, he sought to capture the essence of the American West while also instilling a sense of responsibility for its preservation. Adams's commitment to the environment led to a close association with the Sierra Club, an environmental organization dedicated to preserving wild places. He served on its board of directors for many years, and his photographs appeared in numerous Sierra Club publications. His collaborations with writers and conservationists such as Nancy Newhall and David Brower further amplified his impact as an advocate for nature. Ansel Adams' dedication to environmental causes extended to his involvement in the creation of Kings Canyon National Park and the expansion of the Grand Canyon and Redwood National Parks. His photographs, which captured the magnificence of these places, played a vital role in convincing policymakers and the public of their worthiness for preservation. As his fame grew, Adams also became a prolific writer and educator, publishing a series of instructional books on photography and aesthetics. He taught workshops and mentored numerous aspiring photographers, passing on his wisdom and passion for capturing the natural world through the lens. Ansel Adams's contributions to both the world of photography and environmental conservation earned him numerous accolades during his lifetime. He received the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 1980, among many other awards and honors. His images continue to be celebrated and displayed in museums and galleries worldwide. Ansel Adams's legacy extends far beyond his death in 1984. His work remains an enduring source of inspiration for photographers seeking to capture the beauty of nature and advocate for environmental preservation. Additionally, the Ansel Adams Gallery, established by Adams in Yosemite National Park, continues to promote photography and nature education, ensuring that his ideals and passion endure for generations to come. In conclusion, Ansel Adams's life and legacy are intertwined with the love he had for the natural world and his dedication to preserving it for future generations. As a pioneering photographer and environmental advocate, his work not only continues to captivate audiences worldwide, but also serves as a reminder of the importance of safeguarding our planet's precious landscapes. His enduring impact on both the art of photography and the conservation movement is a testament to the power of art and advocacy in shaping the world for the better. If you enjoyed this video, a subscribe and like would mean a lot to me. It shows me that I make helpful and interesting content. So thank you for watching, my friends. See you in the next video. Take care.